Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.3% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
JD.com founder CEO Richard Liu will donate company shares worth about $2.34 billion to charity, the Chinese e-commerce giant said, adding to a list of similar philanthropic pledges. The British government has set out plans for a huge shift in power and wealth to left-behind regions of the country. Bitcoin pales in comparison to U.S. national debt this year, with all available BTC worth less than 3% of the debt total.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's exports will be released at 0030 GMT. The U.S. ISM Services PMI at 1500 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 1245 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1200 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0030 GMT. The UK's market services PMI at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.